Welcome to Tech Help, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to delete Telegram bots permanently. It is so easy. So first start with opening your Telegram. Next, search bot fadder. Next, type this message. It is slash start. Next, slash my bots. Okay, so basically in here I have no bots. So it says you have currently no bots, but if you have bots in your Telegram, it will show here, and then just click that bot and you could see some options. Just tap delete and your Telegram bots will be permanently deleted. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more quick tips and tutorials.